Welcome to Specto Technology. In this video, we'll show you how to perform a PM pump module swap on an Aeroqual air quality station. To complete this process, you'll need an Aeroqual monitoring station, a replacement PM pump module, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a power option. Let's begin by making sure the station is powered off. Unscrew the two thumb screws securing the power module plate. Once removed, slide the plate away from the station and set it aside. Next, we'll loosen the power board to create space to remove the PM pump module. Start by loosening the screw on the left side of the power board, followed by the center screw. To access the lower center screw, gently pull the two power cables near the back upward and move them slightly to the side. Loosen the final screw holding the power board in place. Carefully push the power board to the left to create clearance. Now, unscrew the exhaust tube by turning it counterclockwise. Disconnect both the sample and purge tubes from the module. Next, loosen the 4 screws located at each corner of the PM pump module. Once loosened, slide the module to the left and pull it out of the Aeroqual station. Be cautious. There are still 2 wires connected. Disconnect both cables to free the pump module area fully. We'll now prepare the new PM pump module. Disconnect the exhaust tube from the old module and transfer it to the new one. Then, match the terminal block wiring from the old module to the new module using a flathead screwdriver. Once complete, reconnect the new PM pump module to the Aeroqual station. Reconnect the power and communication cables, then slide the module back into place. Secure it by tightening the 4 mounting screws. Slide the power board back into position and tighten all 3 screws. Reconnect the power cables. Reconnect the exhaust tube, followed by the sample and purge tubes. Before installing the tubing, pre-twist each tube counterclockwise, then twist it into place to ensure a proper seal. Finally, slide the power module plate back into position and tighten the thumb screws. Power the station back on and perform a flow test. You have now completed a PM pump module swap. You're all set. Happy monitoring.
This video is brought to you by Specto Technology, a world of solutions.